Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee 1-inch SDS hammer. It is a SDS Plus rotary hammer. Starting off, I'm going to go over how the handle works on this guy, and then we'll get into putting a bit in it, because that's going to be the first thing you're going to deal with when you buy a new one. So if you spin the handle this way and you see it coming out, it's going to loosen the part that grips it, and you can either put it on like so, and then once you have it over it, you'll spin it the other way and you'll see it getting closer and tightening, and it will lock itself down in place and stops moving on you like so. From there, it comes with a depth stop. This is going to stop you from your bit basically going too deep if you have a certain depth you're trying to reach and max out at. And that goes in by pushing this red button in, and then this will slide through. When you let it go, it's going to grab it and hold it in place. As far as putting a bit in, you're going to pull this down, and you're just going to kind of spin this in and move it until it works itself and you feel it click in, and then this will slide forward on its own and again lock that in place. From there, again, you can control your depth by measuring the distance of the end of your bit to this, and that's where your depth stop you're going to want to go. Or you can just leave it out of the way and kind of manually do that by eye. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put a battery in it, and I'm going to go through the different modes with you as well. Give me 1 second. We're going to grab a battery to throw in there. Alright. Any M18 battery will do. Puts in the bottom there, turns the light on. It does have a forwards and a backwards like a drill would. We're going to start off by the first mode all the way on this side, which is a drill driver mode. So it's not going to hammer at all, it's just going to drill. And that's in the backwards, that's forward. And it works great. We'll just drill through wood, anything that doesn't need hammering. Then next to that is the hammer function. This is usually going to be for concrete or masonry. On top of just spinning and drilling, it also hammers. So the bit's going to go in and out and hammer against whatever you're drilling. And you can hear that, and it makes a big difference in how quick you're going to get through stuff. Even on wood, it just gets through it a little bit quicker because it's hammering. And so that's that. And then the next one is this little paddle mode where it spins a little bit slower and it does hammer as well. How that's spinning much slower than in the hammer drill mode, where you can see it just starts spinning full on. Then there's another mode which is for chipping or just hammering. So it's not going to spin at all, it's just going to hammer. So this would be used to like chip up tiles or scrape or something like that. And it literally doesn't spin at all. And so that's it, guys. Really, really good tool, especially battery powered for a little SDS hammer. This thing is really, really good. Kind of almost best in its class, I would say. Model number for reference on this is 271320. Everybody, thank you so much again for watching. We can't say how much we appreciate everybody's support for all this time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to give away this entire DeWalt drill kit to a subscriber at the end of March, so don't forget to hit that. Plus, we promise to bring you more great videos every day as time goes on. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.